In a recent border coordination conference of the Border Security Force and the Border Guard Bangladesh, an agreement has reached to fortify and bolster vigil along the frontiers and to jointly work more vigorously to counter cross-border crimes. A report.
The Border Security Force and the Border Guard Bangladesh are responsible to fight against cross-border crimes. Over the past few years, the border forces of India and Bangladesh have jointly worked to keep the border safe by developing mutual trust and cooperation. To further bolster the bond, a three-day regional-level coordination conference of the BSF and BGB concluded recently at Frontier Headquarters BSF in Salbagan, Agartala. The Indian delegation was headed by Sushanta Kumar Nath, Inspector General BSF Tripura Frontier, accompanied by Sunil Kumar, Inspector General BSF Mizoram and Kachar Frontier, Hardeep Singh, Inspector General BSF Meghalaya Frontier, and other senior BSF officers. A 7-member delegation from Bangladesh attended the conference.
During the period of this conference, he also conveyed his wholehearted gratitude to the authorities and the administration of Tripura state for declaring BGB delegation as state guest. The head of BGB delegation, BSF delegation, that is myself, also highlighted sincere commitment of both the border guarding forces to maintain peace and harmony along the international border and in strengthening the already robust friendly relationship.
Various bilateral border issues including trans-border crimes, smuggling, construction of fencing, better border management, human trafficking, border violations, construction of single-row fence, coordinated border management plan and other pending developmental works were discussed in the conference. Both the border forces have agreed to take tough measure trans-border crimes with a higher degree of cooperation, including taking legal actions against the perpetrator as per respective laws of the land. The BGB team leader also said that a visit to a neighbouring country like India is always pleasant as both India and Bangladesh share a common culture and history.
We have exchanged our views, ideas and concepts on border-related issues in a very congenial and lively environment with an aim to enhance the existing friendly relation among both the countries by maintaining a peaceful and tranquil border. Some important border-related issues were discussed in depth and efforts have been taken to curb the trans-border crimes.
Of the total 4,096 km India-Bangladesh border, Tripura shares 856 km with Bangladesh, of which around 67 km area is unfenced. The conference would further strengthen the ties by addressing various border issues of bilateral interests. The relationship between Bangladesh and India is entrenched deep in history and two nations share a healthy trade and military bond.